Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So, let's start the video with a great saying, that is, a teacher can open the door. A teacher can open the door, but you must enter it by yourself. So, with this message, we are going to continue chapter number system. Students, kindly keep a notebook along with you and note it down the numericals. So let's start. Content of the video will be hexadecimal number system, its conversion to the decimal number, and computer arithmetic like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So let's start. So, here is hexadecimal number system. Student, hexadecimal number system has base 16 and it contains 16 digits from 0 to 15. I repeat, from 0 to 15. Hexadecimal number system, from 0 to 9 the numbers are as it is, but from 10 to 15 we represent it by A to F. So the number 10 is represented as A, 11 as B, 12 as C, 13 as D, 14 as E, and 15 as F. Hexadecimal number system is made up of 16 unique alphanumeric values, that is 0, 1 and continue till F, which can be used to represent any number in this system. It has a base 16. In this system, the letters A, B, C, D, E and F correspond to number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 respectively. Here we can see that hexadecimal number system has 15 digits. Here are two examples of it. A, B, 7, 6, base 16. Here A is 10, B is 11, 7 and 6 are as it is. So, I hope you have understand about hexadecimal number system. Now its conversion to decimal number. Here is a number. To convert it to the decimal number, firstly we will start from the right hand side with increasing power of 16. I repeat, from the right hand side with increasing power of 16. So firstly you write 16 raised to power 0, 16 raised to power 1 and 16 raised to power 2 and below the number 33b. Now multiply from right hand side with increasing power of 16 and substitute b by 11. So you can see, multiply 3 by 16 raised to power 2, then multiply 3, that is the between middle digit, by 60 raised to power 1 and the right hand side digit, that is b, that is 11 by 16 raised to power 0, that is 1. Now add these all digits, you will get a decimal number. So we can represent 8, 2, 7, 10 in hexadecimal number system and vice versa. So I hope you have understand it. Now it's computer arithmetic. As we do this addition, subtraction in math, similarly we do arithmetic in computers. This processing may involve various kinds of arithmetic operation like plus, minus, multiplication and division like you do in decimal number system. So let's start with the binary addition. Students, binary addition is a technique used to add binary number inside the computer, which is very easy and simple. this can be performed in the same way like you do in the decimal number. So you have to follow a table for this, and the table is here. Here are two numbers A and B. Suppose 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 10. Here 1 will be used as a carry. Carry over 1 is shifted to the next place. When we will do numericals, we will come to know it. So here's a first example. You have to add 1,000,000 to 111. So firstly write 1,000,000, then 0,111. So start adding from right hand side. 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, and 1 plus 0, 1. I hope you have got it. So here is another example. 5 times 1 plus 1011. On a notebook, write 5 times 1. Then below, from right hand side, start 1101 and start adding. 1 plus 1, 0. Carry will be forward to the left. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1, 11. Then above. 1, 1, 10. Then 1, 1, 10, 11. Then 1 will carry forward and it will be 10. Next is binary subtraction. In binary subtraction, we have to follow a table. Same way we have done in addition. A minus B. So 0 minus 0 is 0 in binary. 1 minus 0 is 1. And 1 minus 1 is 0. But 0 minus 1 is 1. With a borrow. Yes, in the fourth option, 0 will be 10 and 10 minus 1 will be 1. Borrow will be taken from left hand digit. So here's a first example of it. 4 times 1 minus 1010. Firstly, write separately the digits. Put the minus sign. Now start. 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, and 1 minus 1, 0. And the second example is 1100 11. For this, borrow will be given to the right hand side. So 10 minus 1, 1. Borrow given, then it will become 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. And 1 minus 0 is 1. So binary multiplication. In binary multiplication, we follow the same rule as decimal number system. 1 multiplied 0 is 0. 0 multiplied by 1 is 0. So anything multiplied by 0 is 0. And 1 multiplied 1 is 1. So here's the first example. 101 multiplied by 1. Write it separately and start multiplying. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. And 1 into 1, 1. Similarly, 1 multiply 1, 0, and then 1, and then add it. By adding the last two lines, you will come 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, and 1 as it is. Example 2, 1, 1, 1, 1 multiplied by 101. For this, write it separately. Multiply each digit by 1 first, then write it. So it will be 4 times 1. You can see it on the screen. Then 0, 0, 0, 0. Then again double cross, then write 1, 1, 1, 1. So you will get the 3 lines. You have to add the digits in these 3 lines correspondingly. So you will get the answer. So 1, 1, 10, carry will be forwarded. 10 plus 1, 1, 1. 1 carry will be forwarded. Then 10, then 1, then 10. So here is the answer. So the table is 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, again 0, but 1 into 1 is 1. Okay students, now binary division. For this, we have to follow same rule as in decimal number system. Here, there will be a dividend, quotient, and when we will divide, we will get the remainder also. First example, 110 divided by 10. So keep 110 inside as the dividend and divide it by 10. 1 is quotient, then remainder is 10, then again on ones, then remainder is 0. So the quotient is 11, remainder is 0. Second example, keep the dividend inside and here we will divide 1 4 times 0 111 by 1001. So the quotient is 4 times 1 and remainder is 4 times 0. You can see it by step. Okay students. Thank you for watching my dear students. Get ready with lots of doubts for the query round. Till then, take care. Bye bye.